All right, I am pumped because we finally have made some good progress and the goggles are doing goggly things. Check this out. Oh man, this was like way more effort than I thought it was gonna be just to like get everything set up, but it's working. So right now it's just set on an interval to randomly blink between 1 and 5 seconds. And so now that we've got that working with the PWM and everything being driven from this Digi Spark, now I can work with some of the code makers to work in an infrared sensor in here, in a light, and trigger the blink from each eye individually to move these iris boxes, which is really cool. And okay, now I've got to give a big shout out. Two people have been really helping me with the code. Ounce of Tech. Chris is this guy's name. He's got a YouTube channel, check it out. He was really helpful with the beginning of all the code. It helped me figure out some of the problems that I was having. And then Electronite, Ricardo is this guy's name. He came through and just made an awesome piece of code that I was able to apply everything that I learned earlier into and get it working. And if you're curious, I know this is probably not what you want to see. However, if you are curious, one of the big things that was tripping stuff up earlier was the wait time. Okay, so basically, if you try to make these servos move too quickly, they go fritz out. So there's like a very specific time that you have to delay and write to the servos. Also, because I'm writing different commands or different positions to the separate servos, I was putting one refresh after both of the writes to the servos. And one of the big things that we learned with Chris was that if we put in a refresh after writing to each servo, that made them both work. Otherwise, whenever one tried to refresh, it would mess up both of them. I don't know, it was really weird. Again, this is not my area of expertise. If you have any other questions, definitely talk to either Electronite or Ounce of Tech, because they were the ones that really got this rolling for me. So I guess the next steps, like I already said, I'm going to get some of the infrared sensors, and then we're going to start trying to figure out how to get the code to work for triggering those off of our eyes. So yeah, I guess that's it for the update. This is pretty cool. I'm excited. I think this is going to be a neat project when it's all done. So again, thanks for everyone that's helping me out with advice and giving me some tips and tricks and stuff. So keep it coming. I love it, and we'll get this project finished here pretty soon. Cool. See ya.